In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the Nvidia control panel display settings being missing or not showing. If you've ever opened up the Nvidia control panel only to find that the display settings you need are mysteriously absent, don't worry. This is a common problem that can often be resolved with a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by ensuring that your computer is detecting your Nvidia graphics card correctly. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager from the list. Once inside, look for Display Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Here, you should see your Nvidia graphics card listed. If you don't see it, or if there's a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark next to it, you may need to update your drivers or solve potential hardware issues. Having up-to-date drivers helps ensure that your graphics card is functioning optimally. To update your drivers, visit the official Nvidia website. Navigate to the Drivers section and enter the details of your graphics card and operating system to find the most recent driver update available for your system. Download and install the driver, following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, a system restart is typically recommended to ensure all changes take effect properly. Next, once your computer has restarted, head back into the Nvidia control panel to see if the missing settings have reappeared. If they're still not visible, let's move on to another potential solution, the Nvidia Display Container LS service. This service is crucial for the Nvidia control panel to function correctly. Press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the Services Manager where you can see a list of all the services running on your computer. Scroll down to find Nvidia Display Container LS. Right-click on it and select Restart. This action will refresh the service, potentially fixing any display issues within the control panel. Sometimes, the issue can also stem from a corrupted Nvidia control panel or settings configuration. To address this, go to your control panel through the Start menu, select Programs and Features, and locate Nvidia control panel in the list. Choose to uninstall it, and then reinstall it by downloading the latest version from the Nvidia website. This process can often resolve issues related to missing display options. Finally, remember that display settings may not appear if your system uses multiple GPUs, such as integrated and dedicated graphics. Ensure that your system is prioritizing the right GPU for display tasks. You can make this adjustment within the BIOS or through Windows graphics settings. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your missing Nvidia control panel display settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.